This is how I see problems in business. I look at it from the perspective of system. I always do that. Pag tumitingin ako ng problema, hindi ko nakikita yung kahinaan ng tao. Hindi ko nakikita yan. Ang nakikita ko, sistema. Lagi yan. Pag may maskit mo sa katawan nyo, tapos maskit yan mo, o maskit ulo mo, tatanggalin mo ba ulo mo? Maskit paa. Puputulin ba natin paa natin? Hindi. You know what? Even tanggalin mo yung tao, uulit yan. Because the problem is the system. Hindi alam ng tao kung anong gagawin niya exactly. Hindi niya rin alam anong accountability niya. The worst case is, yung minsan nagagalit ka sa maling tao, it will affect other people. Yung tipong ibang tao, mahirap pala dito. But if you have numbers, if you have system that, may nawawala, who's accountable? Ikaw. Spot audit. You have to look at your business on the perspective of system. Napakadaling ayusin ang problema o may sistema.